If you encounter anything that is not aligned with what you want, that is negative, that oppose what you want, forsake it, dismiss it. You don't need to dwell, pay attention, or actually focus on things that are not aligned with what you want. You don't need that. Just dismiss it, forsake it, distract yourself, and revert back to actually focus and pay attention and dwell on what you actually want. That's how you keep your peace of mind. Gratitude is like squeezing all the good juice of the fruit of life. Keep doing it. When you focus solely on what is good and really do seek actually the good in every situation, in every encounter, in yourself, in others, in life, in events, everything. If you focus on the good, if you seek for the good, you will squeeze the juice out of this life and it will be amazing. So keep on being grateful. It starts with a vision, with an affirmation, with using your imagination correctly. Then after you did this, you will be moved in a direction of your desire. So you will have to act upon this path. If you limit your actions when you have the intuition to get what you want, then you are shooting yourself in the foot. So when you have this vision, when you imprint your subconscious mind, you will be moved in the direction of your dream. So actually follow the dream and without any fear. Have the courage to actually believe you can do things, you can get what you want. There's no need to actually visualize if you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. Just visualize and move with faith. Do not procrastinate. When you procrastinate, you're telling yourself that you can do what you can do now, another time. And don't believe that just because you say that you will do it tomorrow, that you will actually do it tomorrow. If you say you'll do it tomorrow, you are likely to say that you'll do it tomorrow again. So act now and say that you will start here and now with what you have, because what you have is more than good enough.